Now, from who is this? Who is this from? Is it Flag? Wait, what the hell's going on? Flagstaff? They pulled up another Tennessee for real, WDFA? Bruh. What
The
the?
National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a flash flood
Lake
warning
Charles?
for Orange County in southeastern Texas until 9 p.m. Central Daylight
Bro, that
Time.
was so long ago.
At 5:05 p.m. Central Daylight
5:05.
Time, Doppler radar indicated
It's
thunderstorms
6:46.
across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Flooding was recently reported in Vidor. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways,
6 and
streets,
5,
and
but
underpasses, as
still.
well as other drainage and
Still.
locations that will experience flash flooding include Orange, Nederland, Vidor, Bridge City, West Orange, Morrisville,
Tropical
Rose City,
Storm
Pine Forest,
Elsa.
Orangefield, and Pinehurst. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.